of 5 operas and a series of talks, discussions and debates that all deal with the themes of freedom and human rights, amnesty, oppression, people striving for a better life. We've got 5 exhibitions front of house that again all deal with the themes of freedom too, plus a lot of outreach work in schools and among community groups. The Consul is a Minotti opera written in the 1950s. It's about a mother's struggle to get a visa for her and her son to leave the country because she's been hounded by the secret police. Then we have a double bill, Act 2 of Fidelio, which will be performed by our community chorus of 61 plus the WNO chorus, and that's accompanied by the BBC National Orchestra of Wales. So there are some great choral moments in Fidelio. We'll also be presenting The Prisoner as part of that double bill, which is based on the book The Torture of Hope. And our final opera will be Brindabah. The performers were shipped to Auschwitz, all bar 3, and one of them was our music director, Thomas Hanish's mother. So it's a very poignant piece for WNO to presenting this, with Thomas conducting it and David Poutney, our artistic director, directing it, and our youth opera performing it.